When most African countries will be speaking and you look at the audience, there will be very few. But when the President of the United States of America speaks, whether you like him or not, people will be there. He or she who was food, even when he smiles or sneers, it means the same thing. You must laugh because he can dish out food. When the leaders of Europe will be there, it will be, oh, everybody will be there. But when my good and learned friend, Professor Peter Wamutarika, will be speaking, a few Africans and a few others will be there, or may be there. It tells you that we are lightweights in the world. When the real decisions are being made, they now reduce it from 100 plus countries into what is called the Security Council. And in the Security Council, Africans do not have a permanent seat. You have a rotational membership. And in the Security Council, only 5 countries which matter have a veto. In other words, all the countries of the world can say many things, they can vote many times, but Russia has a card which they come with and they say veto, and all your votes are neutralized. Useless. That is where Africa is. When meetings are called, they have another level of meetings called the G20. G20 nowadays, you find the president of South Africa, I think, occasionally the chairman of the African Union, President Sisi will be there. But the real meeting is the G7. At the G7, they will invite a few Africans, and one of the things that you normally see at the G7, the African leaders who are invited will be at the photo when they start. Once the photo has been taken, you will never see them again. At all. Why? Because in the scheme of things, Africa does not matter. That is why aspiration number 7 of Agenda 2063 says, where Africa will be strong and will be an integral part of international affairs. I look forward to that day. I look forward to the day when Nigeria will rise, because the day Nigeria rises, Africa rises. Because 1 in every 5 African is Nigerian. That is how big Nigeria is. It cannot be ignored. The day Congo rises, Africa rises. It can happen, and I see it happening.